Hello, today I'm going to bake chocolate chips cookies with M&Ms and ice cream. Also adding Hershey syrup on top of the ice cream. Toppings are optional, but you can also add a lot of different toppings like caramel, salted caramel, pumpkin spice, or as simple as adding sprinkles. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees or 350 degrees. Take 1 cup, 2 sticks of softened butter, or 3/4 cup of oil on the top of the pan. Then put as much as you like, but at least 2 pieces of cookie dough on the pan and M&Ms. Bake it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. When they are done, put them on a plate and put ice cream on top. Add any topping you want, then put another cookie on top and enjoy your snack. Today we made some delicious M&M's cookie with ice cream. We preheated the oven to 375 degrees. We also got our cookies mix ready to bake with M&Ms and with 1 egg. We put our baking pan with the cookies mix ready to bake in the oven to 375 degrees and left it there for 10 minutes. After all of that, we got our delicious baked cookies out of the oven and started adding some toppings. In my case, I used ice cream and Hershey syrup and made it like a cookie sandwich. But also, you can pick any toppings you like.